Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus, let's begin with the top of the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up and down here. Next, I'm going to draw that same shape. I'm just going to curve this up and bring it down. Now, starting right inside of here, I'm going to make a circle shape that's just going to go down, and that's going to come back up here. And you can see I left space on each side. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up here. And same thing here. We're just going to go down. We're going to come over and bring it up. Now, inside of here, we're going to make the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making a nice big circle right here for one eye. And then over here, I'm going to make another big circle. Then I'm going to put a smaller circle inside each eye. And then I'll draw an oval shape underneath each eye. I'm going to make a little rectangle shape right here, and then a smaller one right next to it for some more hair. And then I'm just going to make a little line for the mouth. And then inside of here, I'm just going to make like a little X shape for the inside of the pupils. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side for the hat. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. Make this line come up and then down. And same thing here. I'm going to bring this line up, and then we'll just bring it down to connect it. I'll draw a circle shape at the end for the little bells on the hat. And then for some detail, we'll draw a line that comes down, a line here, and another line right here. And then a line that curves up and down, and then same thing here. We're just going to curve this up and down. Now for the body, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve down and in. So we just kind of curve it down and then in here. Then I'm just going to bring this down like this to like a point. I'm going to make two little diagonal lines right here. And then a line that comes up on each side. Then I'll put a nice big circle right here, and then a second one right here. Then I'll make a little line that's just going to come down. Right here, I'm going to curve a line out and in, and then same thing here, out and in. I'm going to make a circle shape that just curves around here, and then same thing here, circle shape that curves around here. Then I'll add a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. And same thing here, down, over, and up. Next, I'm going to draw a half circle here, and then a half circle right here. I'll make two lines that come down here for the legs, and another two lines over here. Little line across each one. with a line that comes down, over, and up. Down, over, and up. I'll bring a line down, come over and up, and then a line that comes down, over, and up. I'm going to make 2 lines that come down for the arms and 2 lines here. I'll make an oval shape here and an oval shape here. And then I'll make a line that comes down and up for one of the fingers. And same thing here, down and then up. We'll make one that curves around here. And then one that's just going to curve and then curve up here. Same thing, curve and then curve up here. Right here, I'm going to make 2 little lines that curve down. And then I'll make a line that curves up here and a line that curves up here. The same thing here, curve and then curve. And there you go, there is your drawing of Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.